Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to exclude someone from seeing your WhatsApp status. Whether you want to keep certain updates private or just customize who can view them, this step-by-step process will help you take full control of your privacy settings. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once it's open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Tap on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Next, tap on Privacy. This section is where all your privacy-related settings are located. Now look for the option labeled Status and tap on it. This is where you can adjust who can and cannot see your status updates. You'll see 3 options here: My Contacts Accept, and Only Share With. To exclude specific people from viewing your status, select My Contacts Accept. A list of all your contacts will appear. Scroll through the list and tap on the names of the people you want to exclude. Once you've selected everyone you wish to block from seeing your status updates, look for the checkmark icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap it to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully customized your WhatsApp status privacy settings. From now on, only the contacts you haven't excluded will be able to see your updates. Remember, you can revisit these settings anytime if you need to make changes or add more exclusions. Taking control of your privacy has never been easier. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you next time.